I think someone here is really having a hard time weighing two options right here or trying to make a decision. And there could be options right here. Whoever this individual is, this individual here is appearing as a no energy, but it feels like that this is someone here you already know. Okay, I do see that this is the the energy right here. You once invested your time, your effort, might be love. So let's see. This person is trying to make a decision here. Yeah, this could be a past person with the Six of Cups energy. I think this person here keeps on thinking about you, okay, recently or right at this very moment while we're having this reading or while you're listening with this reading, okay. I do see that this is the person here who misses you a lot. But for some reason, I'm seeing this Nine of Wands energy trying to create that high wall or high fence right here. Maybe this person here is trying to avoid something. Or maybe this person here is trying to avoid you. Let's see. What is the situation here that this person is trying to avoid? See, look at that. It came back. This person could have realized how much he or she loves you. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's get other informations. Eight of Swords to the Nine of Swords energy. Hermit right at the center of this reading. Let me just lay all the energy spirits on the table before we start talking more about this. Eight of Cups in reverse is someone here making a decision or trying to make a decision right here not to come back anymore. But I think this person here is one thing. If he or she will only listen to his or her feelings and emotions, like if this person will only listen to his or her heart, then he could probably want to return here to you guys. But because the Eight of Cups in reverse is being clarified or beside this King of Swords energy, this person here is someone making a decision, okay, like not to do this, or this is something here that he or she is trying to make a decision not to come back to you even though he or she wants it that way. So yeah. Okay, so let's keep moving. Oh, hey there, collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me. And of course, okay, please be advised that this is not for everybody. Just pick up only the messages you think are for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. And we do not have any gender here. I do see that we have this Ace of Coins. I mean, Ace of Wands in reverse. But I mentioned Ace of Coins right here. Ace of Coins is wanting to start, okay, something stable, something permanent, something fresh. But we've got the Ace of Wands in reverse, okay, and Page of Cups. This is someone here, I think, who tries to replace you in his or her heart. This person here tries to start a spark or a connection here with anyone he or she could probably meet right here, but as they continue to connect with each other, okay, the fire starts to run out, or the fire starts to get lost right here. So I do see that this is someone here tried to replace you in his or her heart, tries to forget you, but with this Eight of Swords right here, Nine of Swords, this person, okay, feels stuck with you. This person here is really stuck with his or her emotions and feelings for you, keeps on thinking about you every night, each day right here. I think you've separated from this person. You had a romantic history with this person here, and this person is really having a hard time forgetting about you. Nine of Swords energy, Eight of Swords right here, and Six of Swords. This is an energy here of someone trying to avoid falling in love with you, trying to avoid thinking about you, trying to avoid not to reminisce all of the sweet memories or past moments you had together, especially the beautiful ones. This person over here tries not to think about you, but he or she can't help to think about you right here. Whenever he or she tries to connect with someone else or with other people right here in a heart space level, he or she cannot do it for quite a long um, period. He or she always finds himself or herself wanting you more. So I do see that you've already disconnected from this person. You're not talking with this person here. This could be your past person strongly. I do see that with the Hermit right at the center or heart of this reading, this person here starts to realize the true connection, okay, of you guys. So I do see that this person here wants reconciliation, wants to rekindle this connection here back to life, but he or she tries to stop himself or herself, okay? Like this person here is really having a hard time stopping himself or herself, okay, for loving you. I do see that this person here is someone who tries to hold it in, okay, and this starts to bottle up. I do see that this person here wants to reconnect with you, but at the same time, this person here wants to run away from this connection. Okay, so I do see that this person here once left you, or maybe that's the cause of separation here. But with the Eight of Cups energy and this King of Swords, this person here is really, it's like the heart of this person wants you to come back to his or her life, but his or her mind or his or her brain is telling your heart, telling his or her heart to stop thinking about you, stop having feelings for you, and to totally move on from you. But this person here cannot help himself or herself. He or she cannot get out from this situation right at this very moment. I do see that this person here is actually having a lot of sleepless nights because he or she do not know what to do in this type of situation here with you. Nine of Cups energies, Nine of Wands, and Three of Swords. This is someone here asking his or her angels and spirit guides, okay, to help him or her to forget about you. Yeah. So whoever this past lover of yours, I think this is really too hard for him or her. Okay, this is a situation that is really difficult for him or her, enough for him or her to call his or her angels and guides right here to help him get out from this situation. Someone here is trying to forget you, but he or she always finds himself or herself looking for you and wanting for you more. So I do not know who you are really into this person's life, but here I do see that you are very significant. Okay, it's like this person here lost a star in his or her life. Yeah, this is someone here, it's like his or her heart contradicts to what his or her mind is telling him or her. So I do see that with the strength card right here, Seven of Swords, this is really something here that he or she wants to bravely face on his or her own. But then again, he or she is only finding himself or herself wanting this connection here resurrect to life. Okay, but I do see that this person here had his or her reasons why he or she is doing this, or why he or she keeps on thinking about this. Okay, maybe this person here do not want to hurt you anymore. I do see that this person here did made a big mistake to you, and he or she do not want that to 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 happen or to do to you guys once again. So I do see that this person here lacks trust with himself or herself enough for him or her to leave the connection for good. Yeah. So I do see that this person here is actually accepting the truth or the fact that it's okay for him or her that you're angry because he or she had left you, than to go back to him or her and experience the same thing once again. This person here, yeah, you see that? This person here is someone who lacks trust with himself or herself. See, look at that. See, whoever this individual is, this is an energy here of someone do not want you to be in this type of mess again. Okay, I do see that this person here wants to save you from experiencing this tragic again. So I do see that this person here really wants to protect you from himself or herself. So he or she is trying to run away from this connection as fast as he could, or this person here is really trying to avoid you big time, even though it's so difficult or very difficult for him or her. This person here thinks that is the best thing to do. I do see that it takes a lot of courage for this person here to do this, and it's really hard to move away from someone that he or she realized lately that he or she really loves you big time. So I do see that whoever this individual is, this person still holding this chalice of love for you, but at the same time, he or she do not want to offer this to you once again because he or she knows that he or she is not deserving for your love. This person is letting you go because he or she is trying to protect you from someone like him or her. Yeah, I do not know who this person is really in your life, but I do see that this person here is realizing your true importance, and this person here is uh letting you go and setting you free so that you can find your true happiness, and you cannot be able to find it well with him or with her. That's what I'm seeing from here. So yeah, whoever this individual is, this person here is really sad right now. But at the same time, this person here is trying to endure the pain. Yeah, trying to endure the pain all alone by his or herself. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, and love and light.